Hello! Welcome to the channel. This video is the fourth part of adjectives. Let's get started. Today, we're gonna talk about some negative suffixes of adjective. Okay, let's take a look at the presentation. Negative adjective prefix. Negative adjective prefixes. Now, we could use prefixes like anti, this, ill, in, ill. Okay, so all these are putting in front of a word, okay, to make adjectives become negative. For example, convenient become inconvenient. And the prefix un is mostly commonly used, and we can use it to adjectives beginning with any letters. For example, unhappy, unplanned, unbelievable. And we use prefixes like il, I am, ir, and I am with the following adjectives. For example, okay, begin with il, like, logical become illogical. Okay, begin with b or am or p with I am. Possible become impossible. Beginning with R, we have IR. Okay, responsible to become irresponsible. Letters begin with others. Okay, we will use IN. For example, correct become incorrect. So you can use all these prefixes to start an adjective to make it become a negative meaning. And these are just a little combination that you could use in real world. And what's next? Let's take a look. Now, some tips for you. The prefixes anti and non are not common. We usually use anti to show something. Show what? Show that someone, something is against another someone and something. For example, anti-smoking campaign is equal to a campaign against smoking. And also, with anti or non, we usually use a hyphen after these two prefixes, but not after other prefixes. Okay, that's all for today. See you next time. Goodbye.